All right, greetings, guys. Wherever you're watching this video from, this is Texman, and this is one of my documentaries. All right, well, I think I've had a little time to actually start making videos on my trades and then posting them. Okay, since uh, actually to make this a documentary instead of just a content creation channel and all. I'll just be posting my videos, my trade ideas. But it's going to be afterwards, after the results. I'll post the videos after the results. Okay, so the videos won't have to be too much. All right, this is XAUUSD on a weekly time frame. Gold. All right, on a weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, you could see that for the past few days, few months actually, gold is actually bullish overall. Okay, gold is actually bullish overall, and as you can see, I don't see any sign of this aggressive sell. All right. It's just a retracement. That's how I see it, though. That's my opinion. It's just a retracement for me. These cells are just retracements. Okay. So we took out this trend line. We broke below this trend line, which gold retested and gave us some kind of cells. Okay. Took out these highs prior to the retest. Actually, this was the retest, all right. But prior to the after the retest, gold gave us a sweep, which was fueled by this supply right here. All right, it was a demand that failed, so we turned into supply. Okay, so this sweep over here mitigated this demand over here and supply over here, and then gave us this strong sell. All right, and after this sell too, we've had some kind of sweep over here. This high has been taken away. Okay, before we continue, after the trend line was, after we had a trend line breakout, gold actually refused to buy from this demand over here. Right, gold refused to buy from this demand over here. This was a very valid demand. Most, most including me, um, expected to buy from. Okay, but then it failed. All right, it failed. And after it failed, what's happening? I'm expecting gold to get into this demand. All right, then give us that buy continuation. Okay, so let's continue from here. We had a little sweep over here. We had this high being taken, which is was it last week's? Fuck, last 2 weeks. Okay, that was last 2 weeks high being taken away just like that. Very sad. Okay, on a 4 hours time frame, you could see that everything here indicates sales. All right, everything here is just a sign that there are sellers into the market. And on a daily time frame, you could see what's fueling this sell is this tiny demand right here. Supply. Sorry, I love using demand a lot. Because gold is what I trade, and it's mostly buying. So I've gotten used to the demand word. So this is the fuel. This is the block that's fueling this cell. Okay, that's the demand that is fueling this recent cell. All right, and after the mitigation of this demand, it caused a trend line breakout. Okay, it caused the breakout of this trend line that gold was following. You could see there was a high here, right? The low, the high got broken. You had a low here, broke this high rather, created another one. We had a low here, created another high. All right, we had a low here, failed to create another high, and now we've had a low here, another high here. We expect a low here to take this low out. All right, these two lows. I expect these two lows. Let me bring it out here to make it more understandable. All right, so this is it. I'm expecting this low to be taken out. All right, and that price closing below both lows like this. All right, I want to see a body close below these lows, something like this, and then I'll be convinced that sellers are in. Even though I still know sellers are in, that's if I want to go with the basic market structure, change of character stuff. All right, but looking at this from this view, I could see that there is a whole lot here to be capitalized on. All right, there's a whole lot here to capitalize on. Before this, there was a block here that gold was expected to do what? All right, let me use this. This is what was expected of gold to do, mitigating this. All right, this demand right here, and then giving us that push. Okay, then giving us that push. But then since it failed, we are going to expect gold to get back into the same um, um, um I'll call it resistance, all right? Because it was a support line here. It was a resistance here, turning into support here, turning into support here, but failed. All right, and now it's going to turn into a resistance. So we are actually going to let's see, there's a candle here. I want to figure it out. Was it on a 30 minutes time frame? Yeah, it's on a 30 minutes time frame. There's this candle here, all right, that I'm expecting gold to do what? The same demand candle that failed to give us that new high. Okay, I'm expecting gold to get into this same demand and then continue. I mean, continue the sales. All right. So this is something I'm expecting on gold. I'm anticipating. All right. Now I'm not going to go with this body break below this low because this is a basic kind of analysis that I'm using. Okay. This is just a basic type of analysis. A trend line breakout, you expect a weakness and then continuation. Okay, so whether price closes below this low or not, looking at this aggressive push, all right, that broke out of this trend line, I'm going to do what? Go right away. Go ahead and do what? Set my sell limit order. All right, right away. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'll be looking at this low right here, um, this supply right here. Okay, I'll be interested in selling from this supply right here. Which type of range was created here? It was a type B. All right, it was a type B range that was created, which signals a continuation. All right, a type B range is a range that is found um, in an already created trend. Okay, it's created for continuation. So something like this. The trend has already been created. Okay, this is a leg. All right, this is the first leg, and this is the retracement. There's going to be a second leg, which means the trend is already actually this is the second leg. Right, this is the first leg, the second leg. There's going to be a third leg in which I would like to join. Okay, so I'll be doing it this way. All right, I'll be selling from this, putting my stops right about this candle. It should be actually it could be here. All right, it could be right about this supply. But I'm putting it up here because I don't trust this good founded firm. I'm not trying to tarnish their image, but these past few days they hurt me so bad. They broke my heart. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing. This is what I'll be doing on XAUUSD. I'll be expecting market to get into this. All right. There are fundamentals this today. Okay. All right. There are some I think three news release high impact news releases today that I'm expecting to get price into this 2,700 region. And also there is this key psychological support resistance level over here. All right, which is kind of another confluence for me. All right, so I'll be looking at this. This is what I'll be looking forward to do on gold. Actually, my overall target should be here. All right, but then 4 hours is still cool for me. All right, 4 hours is still cool for me. So this is it. All right, this is what I'll be doing on gold. This is what I'll be doing on gold. Okay, I'll be expecting market to get into this supply right here and then give us that aggressive push to the downside. Okay, so this is it. This is my projection on gold. Thank you all for watching. All right, greetings guys, wherever you're watching this video from. I'm Texman once again. Actually, on SAU last week was a Friday, so I expected gold to do it. Gold was somewhere around 2685, 2683. I expected gold to take out these highs and then give us lower price until these lows are taken. All right, this here was my target actually, and now my targets have been taken out. Liquidity here has been taken in. Where is our next point of entry? Because we can't keep waiting for gold to get into this supply before trading. All right, on the weekly time frame, you could see gold has given us some kind of sell intent. All right, breaking out below breaking, having a body break below this low over here and a sweep of last 2 weeks high. All right, which makes the lows a target. All right, on a daily time frame, you will see that it is very clear right here. There is a break. All right, this is a break, and now this was last 2 weeks low. Okay, this was the highs. Now we took out the highs. We've taken out the highs already, and on like 4 hours time frame, you could see that gold has broken out of a very strong resistance support level that has currently turned into resistance. So this is it. This is the support that gold was actually respecting. All right, this is it. Gold was actually respecting this support over here and over here, and now we've had a break below it, which has turned this support into a resistance, and now we expect price to get back into, all right, give us a pullback into this resistance and then sell until we take out last 2 weeks lows since the highs are taken already. All right, so instead of waiting for gold to come back up to this extreme supply right here, I'm much more interested in this area over here because there was a range here that markets created, and after the range was created, we had a break below this low. This was the lowest point before this range was created, and that the breakout of this range has actually closed. I mean, giving us a body close below this, which indicates a continuation. For that, we will be expecting gold to do what? Give us a pullback once market opens. Give us a pullback into this supply right here. All right, induce early sellers into selling very early, and afterwards taking out their stops and then giving us lower price. This is my opinion. This is my projection. This is my thoughts. All right. I mean, what I see is what I anticipate. Okay. But then before that, before I take any trade, I'll expect this very thing to happen. This engineer liquidity around here. This is something that this is part of my criteria. This is part of my confluences. All right. Until I see something like this, I'm not interested in selling from here. So if I see this thing, I'll be setting my limits up right here, expecting gold to take out these highs, mitigate this supply, and give us lower prices. All right, until these lows are taken, I'm going to keep selling. All right, so this is what I'll be expecting on XAUUSD. Only after this, sorry, only after this liquidity has in engineer close to supply. Okay, let me put it this way: supply valid, valid only after liquidity is engineered. All right. So this supply is only valid only after liquidity has been engineered over here. I mean, some kind of inducement, all right, to induce early sellers into thinking market is selling already and that they should go in. All right, impatient traders like myself, which I'm trying to, um, overcome impatience. All right. So this is it. This is my prediction of XAUUSD for next week. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Okay, market has opened already, and now we are back on the charts looking for something to capitalize on. All right. So SCAU, I actually expected gold to get into this area and then give us a retest, all right, on this resistance and drop. But then gold refused. And again, there was another break below this support, all right, that turned into resistance, all right. And again, expected gold to do a retest, then continue. And that didn't happen too, all right, that didn't happen as well. Now we've had another break below this support right here. All right, you can all see this is a very nice support area now. Gold has broken below. All right, now we expect gold. Now I'm expecting gold to this. All right, since we've broken below this support right here. All right, with this aggressive candle. I think on the 4 hours time frame it's still all right. A break below, so we head on to the 1 hour time frame. Now, where is our possible re-entry point? All right. Right now, gold, this is my target on gold. These areas here are my targets on gold. All right. These are my targets on gold. So anything I do, I'm going to be targeting these goals. All right. So one and two. These are my targets on gold. And also there is a little support zone right here. Okay. This area has been supporting gold's push for so long. All right. And it's a very significant one. So as you can see, it takes aggressive candles to wedge through them. Look at this. Look at this weak rejection. All right. Look at all these taps and then look at that. So I'm actually expecting gold to get back into this area. All right. Get back into this area and possibly take out these lows. All right. So where is my possible re-entry? I'm going to get in from this area right here. Okay. This is going to be my area for re-entry. All right. What type of range is this? It's a type B range, which means it's found within an already created trend. All right. So this is going to be it. All right. I'll place my limits here. My stops above this slightly, mm, and then target my liquidity points. All right. But then I'm going to be doing a 3 hour setup. All right. This is going to be a 3 hour setup. I don't want any surprises because this guy can't be trusted. All right. This guy can't be trusted. I might just take out these lows and then, or maybe even just take this and keep pushing. All right. But anything that would for a push, I think, in my opinion, anything that will cause a push is going to come from this. And for that, I'll have to put my stops and my targets here. Exit from here, exit from here, enter from here. All right. So this is what I'm going to be doing on gold. This is going to be my projection on gold today. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you posted. I think after the results. All right. This is going to be my overall target. So this is my overall target. But then I'll be doing my 3 hour. I don't want no problems. All right. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching.